So what we're going to do now is talk about calibration. And right now, instead of using pixels, and if I turn on my grid, and I'll turn on this grid, you can see I got 0 to 2500, and then I've got 0 to 2000. That's my pixel grid. And I don't want to read in pixels. I want to read in physical millimeters. So what you do is you go to your calibration, and what you're going to do is right click and hit wizard. And when you hit wizard, you're going to move, and it's going to say, hey, establish a point or a line. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to grab this point, bang, and this point, bang, and it's grabbed the two edges that it sees and hit apply. And then I'm going to say, hey, that equals clear 9.5. Enter. Apply. So now, if I go to my distance and I say between that guy and that guy, 9.48. So the point is it's really, really close. I just did that. So now that we have that calibration 1, and that's in calibration 1, I've got calibration 1, calibration 2. Here's where we actually assign those calibrations. So we've got a main program, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my calibration piece, and there's going to be assign calibration, IP tool assign. And so you say, okay, I'm going to assign this calibration. And what calibration? So if I go edit, and my inputs, it's saying I've got a distortion calibration, so I can actually take the flatness or the curve out of the rings on a out on the lens. World calibration is what we want when we're going to be changing from pixels to millimeters. Part location, I'm not really sure. So here's your calibration collection out of the main, and it says, hey, use calibration 1 or calibration 2. So now when I put this guy in here, it's going to go and it's going to do that step. And that's how you use the calibration. Get an image, use the calibration, and it will be in millimeters or inches based on how you type in your values.